Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to repair this beautiful earbud. It's a duplicate of Apple and it's really nice. And you can see this earbud is damaged. Doesn't charge on one side and charge on the other side. You can see the red light on one side only, whereas the other side it's not charging, so it's been damaged. And today I'm gonna show you how we can repair such defect. See, it's not properly charging, so can't use one ear. So see, it's opening on one side, whereas on the other side it's devoid of charge and can't open. So let me show you here. This is the charging box, and we can clean it with a cotton bud so that we can clean the charging ports of this charging box. We can take this cotton bud and just see there's inside there are two pins. It's difficult to show you, but there are two pins, two charging pins on each side of the charging port. So we can keep this cotton bud inside and then just wipe the charging ports to remove any dust if there's any present inside. You can clean the tip of the earbuds too. I can see that. So I have cleaned. We can use some pointed objects to clean the tip too if any dust has remained there. You can see I'm using a pointed tip. You guys might damage the charging box by this pointed tip, so it's better not to use this if you have no experience. Now I'll show you how to open the earbud. We can see the earbud and if there is any defect inside there. So here's you can see that the yellow one, the golden one, that's the battery. And we can open it from below too. We can bring out the chip inside the earbud. So let me open it. Okay, there's the chip with two charging ports there, the tip, and at the top, see, that's the speaker and that's the battery, rechargeable battery. You can see it clearly. So I don't see any defect here, so I'm gonna pack it back. So I'm gonna put the battery inside and then close the earbud. It's easy to open this, and you can handle it so easily. It's a wonderful piece of earbud, you know, looks same as Apple. Now let me keep them inside and let's see if it works. Okay, it's turning on both sides. Yeah, that's great. So guys, please subscribe my channel to view more videos like this. Thank you.